All right, so this is the PETGUGU water fountain for pets. It's a dispenser. You can connect an app to it. We're gonna walk through all of that. It's got a bunch of filtration systems in it, and you can control how much water comes in. There's also a sensor on it, so when the dog or the cat walks up, it turns on. You can have a running fountain, you can have a 30-second fountain, you can have a proximity fountain, and there's a filter that comes with it. We have reviewed other products before, so I'm super stoked to jump in. So let's show you what's in the box. Okay, here's everything that comes in the box. See the logo right there, PETGUGU. So you've got a basically instruction manual, walks you through step by step how to connect everything. There's a quick start guide right here. Basically clean all the parts before using. You can rinse the cartridge, water for a couple minutes, and then basically throw in the filter element, the filter tray, put it all together, and then you want to plug it in, and then you can change the modes. Here's a QR code for the app. It's available on iOS and Android, or you can just search for it through PETGUGU. Once you get everything connected to the app, it's really easy. Again, we've reviewed one of these before. It was the older version. This is the newer version, so I'm excited about this to see what we've got. So out of the box, you've got your power adapter, extra filters if I remember correctly, and as far as the water fountain itself, this is everything here. So I'm actually going to move the box because this does come in different parts. So there's your filter right here, one of them. Your base right here. So you've got your base, your water container, then your filter right here. They've added this little tab right here, which is a update from the last version where you can just pull this out. And the nice thing about this is the sensor is down here, right here, and you've got these filters right here. And then this part slides out, and this is where our little tray, I'll just show you right now while we're here, it's going to slide right in here. So let's open this. It sits in it just like this, and then this just slides right back in. We are actually going to run this through water first. Before we put that in, you can see that you've got a filter down at the bottom when the water's getting pumped up, and then it goes through the fountain. Dog or cat eats the water in this little bowl, and it gets cleaned out right here. This is going to catch all the hair or anything that's in your pet's mouth. So let's go fill it up with water and get started and get our puppy. We have a brand new puppy that's going to be using this, so we're pretty excited. Okay, so just want to let you know, this is the bottom. You've got non-skip pads here. You've got your FCC regulations here. There is a cord that plugs in. It's got an L-shaped cord on it, which is really, really nice. Then your cord can actually just stick right in here, so it's going to be level. This is not where it's going to end up. This is just for me to show you a few things. We've got our filter right here. We've ran it for 2 minutes underneath the water, and again, this just slides in. So this is part of the double filter. It's actually got 8 filters built in this level. And then over here, we've got the basically water holding tray that is right here. So I'm going to fill it up with water. We'll put everything back on. I'm just going to show you some of the options that you have with the physical device. Then we'll jump into the app. Okay, so just a few technical details that you may want to be aware of. The total weight is 1.5 kilograms. The rated power is 10.4 watts. The working humidity is anywhere from 10 to 80%. And then this will hold up to 2 liters. So imagine 2 liter bottle. And then the cord length is between 1.5 and 1.8, depending on which version you're looking at, meters long. So again, we're gonna have this filter on. And I filled it not quite to the top, but high enough that the water will actually kind of work. So you'll notice that the pump started working automatically right when I kind of got it down in there. And this is just a continuous flow. So this is where you can actually change some power settings with the device. Okay, so the different modes really quick is we have a solid blue mode, which means it's just gonna continuously run. Then when we press it, we're gonna get kind of a white one, and this is the proximity. So if nothing happens within a minute, you'll see I just moved and it turned on. But if nothing happens in a minute, then it just kind of goes dark. And then when an animal, a cat, dog, whatever you have, big dog, large dog, small dog, when it comes, it will basically turn on the water. And so that actually can train them to come over here. You also have a Bluetooth indicator on this side, and then you have a low water level on this side. So when this light turns on right here, it's gonna be low water level. When this side turns on, this is Bluetooth. So now I'm gonna connect this Bluetooth. I'm gonna connect this and show you, I'll probably just do a picture-in-picture where I can show you a screenshot of me turning it on and connecting and working through it that way. See here that we have some other devices. We have an automatic feeder. We've had a cat toilet before, but we have the old version of the water fountain, which is the one that's offline. And then we have the new version, which is this one right here. So it will upgrade immediately to whatever firmware or software it is. The nice thing is you can connect straight to your internet. So the device is connected to your internet. You can add guests, different things like that. So I'm actually just gonna kind of walk you through a couple things. So you have a filter reminder right here. You can see right there, filter reminder right there. You can go in when you change the filter. You can actually add to the cart and have it shipped automatically. Go back. We have our settings button up in the top right. So you can actually change some of these. You can go to the product manual. You can see the device information. You can do a firmware upgrade. You can do weighting and calibration. So the other thing is you can actually change the modes, right? So right now I'm on continuous mode where the water is just flowing, and then I can actually now change it to intermittent mode, which basically continues outflow for 3 minutes, then stops for 3 minutes, goes for 3 minutes, stops for 3 minutes. You see I've got a calendar right here where I can see how many times our dog is drinking, how much water is kind of disappearing. Yeah, there's gonna be a little bit of evaporation, but if you're inside, you don't need to necessarily worry about that. So then you can also compare days and weeks, and if I go across, you can kind of see that there. So the other really cool thing about this is you're tracking basically everything that you have on your animal. So how much they're drinking, if you have a food, which we do, how much food they're eating, and then I can actually just turn this on anywhere in my house, or if I'm connected to the internet, I can actually be not at my house and connect it because it's connected to my home Wi-Fi. I can do that. So you'll get a device health study right there. I can then actually go and add my animal information. I can go into my account and oops, there we go. And it'll kind of walk through, do I want to do the metric system or the imperial system? I'm going to do the imperial system in settings here. Unfortunately, the dog that kind of makes me sad, actually, this is our old dog Scout, our new dog Waffles. We need to add to this device. So you can add a pet right there, and you go through, put their nickname and all of that stuff right there on the device. So if you have multiple pets, you could track multiple pets.
Let's check it out. Huh? Oh, right off the bat, huh? Look at that. Just getting back from a walk. I literally just switched this while he was on his walk, got back. And I honestly think because when he was a puppy, he was scared of the metal bowl that we had for him because his leash would hit the side of the metal and it would scare him. So I think he likes this. His collar would hit the bowl, and this it doesn't. I also think that he likes it because it's moving. Hi, he's excited to see me. No, you keep drinking, keep drinking, keep drinking. Oh, good boy, good boy. This is Waffles. He's our new puppy. 5 months. So, yeah, he's one that replaced Scout. Not replaced, but we got him after Scout passed away. So, okay, you done? You done? Okay. Okay. Oh, you're gonna lick it off the floor too, because you got it all over. Messy, huh? Yeah. Yeah, it's a little pool right there. And then it goes down through the filter. There's a double filter actually.
Filters the water after you drink it.
Goes down through the filter into the other water, and then there's a filter as it sucks it up. So there's a double filter. It's actually really nice. Yeah, doesn't get any of its gross leftover water. This is the updated version of the one that we had previously. So, and then, yeah. Okay, so my final thoughts on the PETGUGU pet automatic watering system for cats or dogs. So you obviously saw a picture of Waffles, our new dog, loves it, came inside. I really do think that he likes it because his collar and the little chain and tag was not hitting on the brush. A couple things that I noticed that I really love this version over the old version. Not that the old version was bad, but just the upgrades. So number one, I know it sounds really silly, but that little tiny rubber piece that you could pull it up, that filtration system both on the top when the water goes down and when it comes up through the pump is super duper awesome. That filter has about like an 8 filter system through it. So you wanna make sure that you run that through water. The other thing is this one connected to Wi-Fi super duper quickly, and I was able to actually just share that with my wife, so now she can control it from her phone when she has the app, and I can control it. The watering and or feeding history, if you've used other PETGUGU items before, products, is you can track how much water your pet is drinking. If you have 2 pets, I mean, you have to kind of manage that out and look. You can automatically turn it on, you can change it that way. The sound of it was so quiet, and that was one of the things that the last one you could actually hear the pump going, and then the automatic ordering of filters. So in 30 days we can order another filter and have it come. So the bottom filter was 30 days and the top filter was 60 days. There's probably a way you could make that last a little bit longer if you needed to, but that's the recommended time. I don't necessarily always either go before or after the recommended time, just depends on the filter and where you're at. But overall, such a great product for pet owners, cats, dogs, puppies, everything that you got. Thanks so much for watching. I appreciate you.
These days are the CES exhibition period, and PETGUGU is also participating. Check out the exhibition details. If you're really interested, feel free to head to the exhibition for more product info. For those who can't make it, just click the product link below to visit PETGUGU's official store and browse around.